Hello, TL Clark here. Today I'm cooking a potato capsicum curry. In India they cook this served on a bed of banana leaf with lots of other dishes, but I actually really like this one on its own. So here I'm heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but that's as far as the syns go, I promise, and it serves 2. So to the hot oil we add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and we'll wait for those to fizzle. I'm really sorry about the shadows, by the way, but it's too dark to see otherwise, so you get my little puppet show as well. It's starting to sizzle. Right, okay. To that you add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now in this country, that being the UK, I've not found ginger garlic paste, so I use half a teaspoon of each, and I can find that in any supermarket. It's brilliant. Give that a bit of a mix. There we go, they're really starting to splatter. And to that I've got half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and a pinch of turmeric. In that goes. That's me dropping stuff. Okay. See that? It's all mixing together. And you just want to fry that off so that it just heats those spices basically. Once that's fragrant, you add just a little pinch of salt and some chilli powder. Do this to taste. My husband and I are a little bit wuss pussy, so we only put a tiny bit in. Then you add 1 cubed potato and 1 diced green pepper. Give that a stir. That's all covered. And then all I do is add a little bit of water and put the lid on. Leave that to steam for 2 minutes. What my friend says to do is to remove the lid after that point, but actually I just crack it open because then you still get some steam and it finishes cooking potatoes. So you have that on. After 2 minutes, just crack that lid open, just that little bit, and then you'll leave it to cook for 20 minutes. At the same time, you boil some rice, and that's it, done. It's that easy, honestly. Give it a go. It's so fragrant and tasty. It's one of my favourite ever curries. Okay, enjoy. There we go. 20 minutes later, this is what it looks like. Potato capsicum curry.